If you are a veteran, buying your home using the VA home loan benefit may get you into the house of your dreams. In fact, many VA borrowers say that buying a home with no money down is the VA program's biggest advantage. Did you know there are many other advantages of a VA mortgage that provide huge benefits, especially compared to other available financing options? This is Selland with Signet Mortgage, and I'm here today to talk through the benefits of 100% financing and no mortgage insurance with a VA home loan. VA loans usually have less stringent underwriting guidelines, and closing costs may be lower as well. Another big advantage of VA loans is often overlooked is the absence of monthly mortgage insurance payments. What is mortgage insurance? Mortgage insurance is often used when borrowers have a loan to value that exceeds 80%. Mortgage insurance, or MI, gives lenders the confidence to lend to buyers who are putting less than the 20% down. Borrowers pay for the mortgage insurance premium. The premium may be at a one-time upfront charge, monthly charge, or both in the case of FHA and USDA loans. There's no mortgage insurance with a VA loan. That's really awesome. So conventional mortgage insurance require a minimum 3% down payment, and borrowers who are not able to put that 20% down will be required to have what's called private mortgage insurance, or PMI. And the rates on conventional home loans vary depending on factors like your credit score, down payment, and loan amount, etc. FHA mortgage insurance require a minimum of 3.5% down payment. They collect both an upfront mortgage insurance premium as well as an annual premium. The upfront portion is added to your loan balance typically, and the annual mortgage expense, or the insurance expense, is added to your monthly payment. VA mortgage insurance means qualified VA borrowers can purchase homes up to and over the conforming loan limits in their area without having to factor in a down payment or mortgage insurance. In fact, I just helped a family buy a $1.5 million condo with no down payment. Pretty cool. There is residual income requirements and other details, but it reinforces the VA loan is an awesome program. And best of all, there's no mortgage insurance on VA home loans of any kind. So VA home loans do come with a one-time funding fee, which most VA borrowers choose to add to their loan amount. And borrowers with a service-connected disability may be exempt from paying that funding fee, so that's worth looking into. Using your VA home loan benefit could mean getting into the home of your dreams without having a need for a down payment and without having the added expense of mortgage insurance. Whatever your home ownership goals are, now may be the perfect time to use your VA home loan benefit. Thanks for watching. This is Selland with Signet Mortgage. And if you or someone you know is looking to buy or refinance or just get your questions answered, please contact me. Email and phone number, all that stuff's below. I look forward to helping you get into the home of your dreams. Take care.